Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists, I'm your host Gary G and I hope you had a successful week. It's a real pleasure to have you in front of your screens and spend a few moments with me and my production team.
Woohoo!
In today's show, we want to talk about a shop card from Chicago, the diorama, first, as always, the riddle. What is the world record for eating the most burgers in 1 minute? Is it A, 2, B, 8, C, 5? The answer, as always, at the end of the show. This week in the shop we built a diorama, but that was not the plan. I started out with this little thing here. And actually only wanted to make a prop for if I do pictures. I thought it's cool to have a little toolbox next to it. And it turned out so cool, I thought, hey, if I could do that, why not make a whole workbench? So did that, and before I even could think on it, I had a whole diorama. Unfortunately, because I was so in, had so much fun, I completely forgot, hey, I actually could film it. So that's why I have actually know how I did it, but only a slideshow. I hope you still like it. And here is how, not how, but the diorama. This week arrived a very, very special shop card, our studio mailbox. This guy is one of the fathers of YouTube model building. His videos going back until 2008. He was a big influence to me. He's not just a great builder, but also a fantastic dad to his daughter, which just started recently her own little YouTube channel. She's doing good. I'm speaking of Fast Jimmy 71 and his chicken grease garage. Thank you so much. This is the card. It's so cool. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. And peace. Chicken grease. Did you ever had a burger and thought about, man, I'm gonna grab me another one? Well, some people may even think, how many could I possibly eat? Or even, how many could I eat in a short period of time? Well, the Guinness Book of Records is famous for doing some crazy stuff like this. And two young guys had 1 minute to eat as many burgers as they could. And here is how many burgers the winner ate in 1 minute. So this was a little bit a different show today. We had the diorama, shared the love for a great member of the community, and learned how he scare people to death in a fast food restaurant by eating freaking 5 burgers in 1 minute. Crazy. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday. But now, Elise, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. Peace, chicken grease! Well, another episode of Card Dreams in Styrene is over it. I hope you got something out of it. Maybe it was a little bit entertaining for you as well. Don't start giggling. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday.
You know what you said?
No.
Another episode of Card Dreams in Styrene is over it.
Oh, man.
Are you over it, Card Dreams in Styrene?